but I will watch it. My friend won, Tejasvi. She won Big Boss. But because of Big Boss and everything else, she became Tejasvi, that we know. कैसा था Big Boss? मैं जीती ना. Every day that I wake up, I fall in love more and more each day with him. So I was very fortunate to work with the director, same director, Nikhil Advani, who's directed Kal Ho Na Ho.
हैप्पी मॉर्निंग गाइस, मैं हूँ डॉक्टर रानी एंड वेलकम टू माय टॉक शो चैनल। आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है वो एक मिस है और वो इंडिया से है। शी हैपेंस टू बी आल्सो अ फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया। शी इज एन एक्टर, शी इज अ फॉर्मर आरजे एंड शी इज आल्सो हैड मल्टीपल टीवी शोज। वी प्लीज वेलकम मिस इंडिया, Miss Tanvi Malhara. Hi Tanvi.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
How is the weather like?
Weather is so good. It's hot, but it's good.
Let's begin, and this segment is called Viva with Dr. Rani.
Of
उसमें
course,
मैं आपसे
Dr. Rani.
सवाल पूछूंगी और आपको जितना जल्दी जवाब देना है you have to answer. And based upon how your response is, I'll keep asking you more and more questions.
I
And it's
thought
gonna
I'll
get harder.
something.
Okay, so sounds good. So first and foremost, it begins. Okay. The last thing you googled.
Oh God. I googled what's an almond girlfriend.
What is an almond girlfriend?
What do you mean by almond girlfriend? That's what I googled.
And what is
it? Basically means जो लड़कियाँ they micromanage their partner's diet and stuff, and they put them on a very restrictive diet.
Oh, it's like veganism.
Yeah, like not just veganism. They'll be like, हमें सिर्फ healthy ही खाना है, हमें सिर्फ protein shots देते हैं, हमें सिर्फ ये करना है. We'll go for a walk on a vacation. So they basically put everybody else in a restrictive diet. That's an almond girlfriend, wife, mother, everything. I'm not.
So I'm a vegan.
No, you are.
And I micromanage my husband's diet.
You might be an almond wife then.
I think I'm an almond.
Almond wife you are.
So thanks for teaching me the fact that I'm an almond wife
मेरा
today.
एक education institute है. It's called Instagram. And I learn everything about life on Instagram.
Sounds good. Now the second question is, one celebrity you would trade lives with for a day.
Ooh, one celebrity I would trade my life for a day. I really want to be friends with Alia Bhatt, so maybe I don't know. I'll trade my life with Ranbir Kapoor then, because I won't want to spend my day with Alia.
Red carpet or sweatpants?
Ooh. If I'm working, if I'm a host on a red carpet, then 100% a red carpet. If not, then maybe at home. Yeah, sweatpants. Yeah.
Ramp walk or shooting in a set?
Shooting on a set, yes. 100%.
Okay.
I really want to do a ramp walk. I've never done it. I've only done it while I was doing Miss India. Uske baad se nobody took me. Maybe I'm shorter than most girls. People are really tall. Like they're supremely tall. और मैं बहुत छोटी थी मिस इंडिया में भी. तो बहुत लंबी लंबी लड़कियों को रैंप वॉक करने देते हैं. मैं बहुत छोटी सी थी, तो मेरी मेंटर ने मुझे एक बार बोला था, यू शुड वेयर heels at all times. Even if you're going to pee, remember to wear your heels. I was like, you can't expect me to wear heels. And then whole of Miss India journey, Miss India multinational, I used to only wear heels. And then
so the next question is, what is your cutest fan encounter?
Cutest fan encounter. I really want. Oh my god! Every time. Okay, the other day in Jalgaon, every time मैं सोचती हूँ कि मुझे कौन देखता होगा, right? Like who is watching my content or who is watching everything that I put out. मैं हमेशा एकदम pleasantly surprised हो जाती कि if someone recognizes me anywhere, I get so happy. Like the little kid in me becomes so happy क्योंकि this was my dream, right? Like this was my everything. तो अभी परसों ही I was outside Priyanka and then I saw a newlywed, right? Like उनकी just शादी हुई थी. And they had come to like visit the temple, Omkareshwar मंदिर को वो दर्शन लेने आए थे और मैं भी गई अंदर मंदिर में. And they saw me and I saw them. And instantly I thought, I think they recognize me. But I was like, oh my god, do they recognize me? But मैं अंदर चली गई मम्मा के साथ और मैं बाहर आई. And then they were married and they still came up to me. यार उनकी like they were just married and they didn't have to. Like they were very like happy and they were like, oh my god, I see your content and I love it. And I was like, oh my god. So sweet.
Must be such a creatively satisfying feeling, no?
I don't know, but it satisfies everything. It's too good. Creatively or no creatively. I love it.
Your current favorite binge watching series?
Oh my god, have you watched Dr. House?
Yeah. Yeah.
I love, oh of course, और बहुत सारे लोग तो डॉक्टर हाउस देखकर ही डॉक्टर बने, आपने
हाँ,
देखा
हाउस
होगा।
एमडी ना?
हाउस एमडी,
Yeah, of course. I
आपने भी वो
also
देख
saw
के
it.
उस
हाँ,
डॉक्टर बनने का सोचा?
हाँ, उसको ग्रेस एनाटॉमी को मिक्स कर लिया। बहुत ज्यादा देख लिया था 12th के बाद, and अचानक सपना है कि डॉक्टर
डॉक्टर
बनूंगी।
बनना है।
And 12 years from then, I'm here now.
You're as a doctor.
Your current crush?
My husband.
Oh, heart, heart. Okay, your favorite song?
Oh, my favorite song. एक बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है। फेवरेट सॉन्ग, फेवरेट मूवी, फेवरेट एक्टर, सबसे मुश्किल सवाल लगता है मुझे। लेकिन व्हाट आई एम लिसनिंग टू राइट नाउ वुड बी तेरे हवाले कर दिया।
हाँ,
I love that.
you sing really well too. Is there a song that you'd like to sing for
No,
us?
no, no. इतना ही मैं अच्छा गाती हूँ, एक लाइन। इसके आगे नहीं गाती।
Okay. So, secret talent that no one knows about?
सीक्रेट टैलेंट, ओ माय गॉड, क्या है सीक्रेट टैलेंट? ज्यादा है नहीं, सच बताओ तो ज्यादा टैलेंट है नहीं। सीक्रेट टैलेंट और मुश्किल है, बट आई हैव अ रियली लॉन्ग टंग एंड आई कैन टच इट ऑन माय नोज।
Can you show? Because I tried,
आई कैन
it
से
doesn't
यू
happen.
बट लुक रियली स्कैरी। मैंने अपने सीरियल में किया था, तब से मुझे लोग नागिन बोलने लगे, तो आई एम रियली लाइक स्कैर्ड ऑफ पीपल
क्या
सीइंग
पता you'll get Nagin season 7 or 8. अरे, there was this whole phase of my life where I was a Nagin fan.
ओह वाओ।
Like proper fan. Like I'd be like, अच्छा ये इसका विश कन्या बन गई, ये हो गया, वो हो गया and all. And my dad is like, you're a doctor. What is your IQ? That you're like literally sitting and watching Nagin every week.
But it's very addictive.
It is like cringe watch,
It is.
but it's binge watch also.
Yes, yes.
So I love
Nagin
and Big Boss.
and Big Boss.
I had a phase,
You had a
not
phase?
anymore.
I have not watched Big Boss yet. देखना है मुझे झगड़े करते तो मुझे कुछ कुछ हो जाता है, मुझे लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड मैं रो देती हूँ, ऐसे मुझे अंदर से फील हो जाता है।
So there was this whole video by a very famous YouTuber, and he was talking about how Big Boss and reality shows corrupt your brain because you are taught about making a narrative and shouting and talking about it again and again.
Is it
And
true?
like I watched the whole video, and after that I again
Big
watched Big Boss because
You're
I
like,
was
is he
like,
saying the truth? I need to see that.
I feel like he might be maybe you can watch the video and let me know what your thoughts
Send
are.
it to me.
Yeah, sure, I would
Let me
after this. And but it's quite interesting to be honest,
Yeah.
because I think it kind of tells you the kind of frame of mind you're in. Like where it's like, for instance, Splitsvilla. I used to watch it when I was a child.
Same.
Like
I used to watch a lot of
हाँ.
Splitsvilla.
But now it's gotten to a point where I'm like I think I've moved beyond that. So I guess Big Boss also is like a phase. You might be very bored in your life.
Maybe
Might as
later
well
we'll be
watch
like,
it.
bus
Now I'm not into it. Now
I've never watched it, so I don't have anything to add. But I will watch it. My friend won, Tejasvi. She won Big Boss.
Oh, she's your friend?
I mean, we did acting class together, and then we sort of.
She was also Nagin, right?
She was a Nagin.
See, Nagins are very famous.
I asked her, so Tejasvi, कैसा था Nagin? Sorry, कैसा था Big Boss? मैं जीती ना. बहुत अच्छा था. It's like, that's why you won. Like,
She got a
she's so
boyfriend
funny.
also.
Yeah.
And she became an overnight like star. She already had a
Yeah,
stardom,
she was working
but
a lot though. But because of Big Boss and everything else, she became Tejasvi, that we know.
if you get offered Big Boss, would you go?
यार मुझे बहुत बारी पूछा है ये, और मैं हमेशा डर जाती हूँ. I get really scared. But I think I will say yes.
Would you prefer Big Boss Hindi or Big Boss Marathi?
हिंदी ना, मराठी में मतलब मुझे समझेगा ही नहीं आधे टाइम वो बोल क्या रहे हैं. अगर मुझे बिल्कुल मतलब समझेगा पर मैं उसी रिदम में रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाऊंगी तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा फिर. So Hindi is better. है ना?
Me too.
He's like,
But no one's calling me, so it's fine.
After this interview, they will. We need Dr. Rani.
I'm ready. Please call me. I'll flash my number. Just joking. Okay. So, your favorite food item?
Dosa. I love dosa. I can live on dosa every day of my life.
Have you seen that Insta reel about dosa?
I fully relate to that.
Yeah.
Idli dosa, dosa. Dosa, puri, dosa. Everything dosa. Yes.
Okay. So, tell me a hobby that you really want to pick up.
Oh, I really want to pick up Kathak. I really want to do that. I've been procrastinating it since really a long time. I really want to do that again. And singing.
But you do sing well.
I sing, but I'm not a trained. I mean, मैंने बचपन में classes ली है 2-3 बारी classical singing में. तो वो एग्जाम के डर से मैंने छोड़ दिया, पर मुझे वापस कथक और क्लासिकल सिंगिंग करना है.
A rumor you heard about you which is not true.
रूमर ही नहीं बने, अब तक मैं उतनी फेमस हुई नहीं. आई रियली वांट टू बी दैट एट दैट लेवल कि मेरे बारे में रूमर्स फैले. आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव. डू यू नो एनी रूमर ऑफ मी?
You want me to create one?
नो नो. धक हो गया मेरे अंदर.
Okay, a rumor about you you wish would be true.
That she is incredibly talented. She's magic on camera. She's just a dream for every director. That's a rumor I would want to.
That technically is not a rumor, right?
I really, but that I want that to be true also.
Yeah. Let's start spreading it now.
Manifesting. Bhagwan. Okay.
11. So a superpower that you wish you had,
I could travel anywhere with like a blink of.
like that invisible blanket in Harry Potter.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just want to travel everywhere.
What is your next destination spot?
I really want to go to Japan this year. I want to go to Japan and
Cherry blossom.
yeah, and Korea. I really want to go to Korea.
Are you into Korean skincare?
I'm into Korean drama. And
Okay, drama. When life gives you
Tangerines.
tangerines.
मैंने देखा नहीं, 3 episodes देखे, but I've heard it's very emotional and it's very complex. I really want to watch it. आपने देखा?
So I got hooked into South Korean, I think from Parasite, the movie. That was really good. It was Oscar nominated, right? That was really crazy also. And then I've seen
Have you watched?
Queen of Tears.
Oh, I've watched it. Oh my god, वो
Yeah.
थोड़ा crazy type था. You should go slow, I think. If you want to love K-drama, watch like Boys Over Flowers first. That should be your first
Okay.
series into introduction to K-dramas. और वो इतना cringe है और इतना प्यारा है. You'd want to be like, oh my god, मैं क्यों देख रही हूँ? And then you end up watching everything. Watch it.
If your life could be described in one line, what would it be?
She made everyone smile.
Oh, you definitely made me smile.
I really want to make people smile.
So that was it.
Oh, fab.
तो अच्छा सुनो,
सुनाओ.
बताओ कि ये सुनो कहाँ से आया?
Oh god. 5 साल पहले की बात है. My mama calls my dad अच्छा सुनो. So in my head, hi Victoria. So in my head, she's a fellow Jalgaonkar girl.
Yes.
Come here, Victoria.
Victoria, say hello to everybody.
Look. So mama calls पापा अच्छा सुनो. तो मुझे बचपन में लगता था मेरे पापा का नाम ही अच्छा सुनो है. तो जब भी मुझे लोग पूछते थे आपके पापा का नाम क्या है, अच्छा सुनो नाम है. तो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा होगा कि टू लाइक आप endearingly अपने पार्टनर को अच्छा सुनो ही बोलते हो. तो मैं ऐसे वो ऑर्गेनिकली अच्छा सुनो आ गया. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसे बोलना शुरू करूंगी. It just happened and then I just kept doing it. I don't do it now because I never call प्रथम अच्छा सुनो. I never do. He's like मुझे ट्रिगर हो रहा है, मुझे ट्रिगर हो रहा है तन्वी. तो मैंने बोलना ही बंद कर दिया. तो मैंने अब बोलना बंद कर दिया.
So how has marriage shaped up? कैसा लग रहा है शादी करके?
मुझे हमेशा शादी नहीं करनी थी. मतलब मैं I used to always keep pushing that conversation कि मुझे नहीं करना है अभी. I really want to make something of myself first. I really want to do everything I want to do in my career front and then sort of get married. तो जब भी पापा मामा बोलते थे बेटा अब उम्र हो गई, अब उम्र हो गई. I was like नहीं अब मुझे ये करना है वो करना है. And then I don't know what happened, but like at some point I just felt very ready to sort of make a commitment to another person in a very real sense. And I was at the right place. जैसे बोलते हैं ना लोग कि मैं सही लड़के से मिल गई at the correct time, at a correct phase of my life, and it just happened very wonderfully. And I think I was really stupid to sort of push it for so long. I think being married is wonderful, and you sort of get so at peace within yourself. And मैं ऐसी थी लड़की. I was always like all of that, and now I'm very zen. I'm okay with everything because with him, hard days are also okay. Like I want to have hard days with him.
तो वो आपको एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी देता है.
100%, and everyone wants that, no? Like everyone wants to be feeling safe and secured, and I don't. Yeah, it's wonderful.
एंड वो फीलिंग भी रहता है ना कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में तुम्हारे पास हमेशा कोई है.
हाँ, like I'll always have someone to talk
grow old with.
grow old with, and मुझे अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है कि मुझे लगता था मैं अभी इससे ज्यादा अपने पति से प्यार नहीं कर सकती, but every day that I wake up, I fall in love more and more each day with him.
Feeling that you
He
have,
matches
right?
my weirdness to a level nobody else could. Like every day I can be more weird with him. मतलब मुझे लगता है इससे ज्यादा मैं weird नहीं हो सकती और मैं weird हो जाती हूँ. And he loves it. He matches it so beautifully. Like अगर मैं ऐसे कुछ dance step शुरू करती हूँ, he will not look at me like what are you doing? He'll be like, oh my god, let's start. Like let's do a dance party right now. And I love that about him. It's wonderful. I think everybody should get married. I feel marriage as an institution should be um, spread more, क्योंकि मुझे हर कोई बोलता था अरे शादी का लड्डू
खाओ भी ना
नहीं
खाओ भी.
I was like, no, it's a beautiful thing, and if you find a beautiful partner, it can be a wonderful thing for you, and you can grow old together, yes, but you can also grow together as a couple and as individuals, and that's what I aspire to.
अगर ऐसा कपल कोई मूवी आपको डिफाइन करती है तो मूवी कौन सी होगी? बॉलीवुड मूवी.
बॉलीवुड मूवी जो हमें डिफाइन करती, कैसे बोलूं, मेरी है तो मेरी अरेंज मैरिज. अरेंज मैरिज हो गया, फिर प्यार हो गया, मुझे नहीं पता अरेंज मैरिज होता है बॉलीवुड में.
विवाह एक प्रेम कथा.
ही इज ऑब्सेस्ड विद दैट फिल्म बाय द वे.
I don't know why people are so
में
obsessed.
50 बारी देखी उसकी बहनों के साथ, बोलता है आई लव एवरी बिट ऑफ दैट फिल्म, एंड आई थिंक ही इज अ डीओपी टुडे बिकॉज़ ऑफ दैट फिल्म. आई फील जल लीजिए, आप जल पीजिए. वो मुझे रील्स भेजता है कि हाउ व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड ऑफ अ वाइफ, कि जल पिलाएगी, वो मुझे मारती है,
And last time में last जो होता है मुझे हक है.
मुझे आई लव दैट फिल्म. आई हैव क्राइड माय आईज आउट इन दैट फिल्म. शाहिद कपूर वाज माय क्रश ग्रोइंग अप.
As a child, ऐसी कौन सी मूवी है जिसने आपको बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर किया, इन्फ्लुएंस किया?
कल होना.
इतना सीरियस आपका मेंटालिटी था कि आप अपने बॉयफ्रेंड का मरने के बारे में सोचते थे?
नहीं, मुझे इंस्पायर किया to sort of love movies, just loving. It was my introduction to loving cinema, I think. So I was very fortunate to work with the director, same director, Nikhil Advani, who
Wow.
directed Kal Ho Na Ho, and he directed the film that I worked in, Veeda. और मैंने यही बोला उनको कि you're the reason I dreamt of becoming an actor, and I'm so happy my first film is with you.
And how was the movie shooting and how did you
I
feel?
think it was wonderful. I think कि अब मुझे याद आता है, मैं बहुत टाइम से सेट पर नहीं गई हूँ, so I'm missing it terribly. But he is a wonderful director. He knows exactly what he wants. He knows exactly where to like cut and like edit, and he works really hard. He's at it. He's doing so much stuff. He's not tired ever. Like you see him at 3 a.m. He's at the same level of passion and energy vis-a-vis if you see him at 9 a.m. So he's wonderful as a director.
तो आपने मॉडलिंग की है, आपने टीवी शोज किए और आपने मूवी भी की है.
एक ही मूवी.
हाँ वेदा, तो इतना वाइड स्प्रेड आपका पोर्टफोलियो है एंड आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर भी हो सोशल मीडिया पे, यू हैव अ वेरी बिग फैन फॉलोइंग, तो उसमें एंड टॉक शो आल्सो. हाँ, स्पाइस इट अप विद तन्वी. सो आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू, आपको क्या सबसे पसंद है और व्हाट डू यू लाइक अबाउट ईच?
मुझे सबसे, जैसे you love talking, right?
हाँ.
I can see that in you.
हाँ.
I love talking as well. तो मुझे होस्ट करना, मेरा पहला प्यार इज होस्टिंग, बिकॉज मैंने अपना करियर की एक्चुअली शुरुआत एज अ रेडियो जॉकी से की थी, एंड दैट जॉब वाज माय ड्रीम जॉब बिकॉज आई वाज टॉकिंग एंड आई वाज गेटिंग पेड फॉर टॉकिंग, एंड आई वाज डिसेंट एट इट. आई वाज नॉट द बेस्ट एट इट. मेनी पीपल आर रियली गुड एट इट, पर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं एकदम आई एम गुड एट टॉकिंग बट आई एम नॉट गुड एट ओपिनियंस. लाइक आई एम नॉट वेरी ओपिनियटेड एज अ पर्सन. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता है कि what like अभी मैं समझ रही हूँ कि you should have some opinions about regarding matters, but then I was like 22 and I didn't have a lot of opinion. I was just a very happy child. तो मैं बहुत मजे कर रही थी, but I discovered that I love being on camera while I was a radio jockey because I started a food vlogging thing there.
A food vlog. Wow.
Yeah, in Nashik. It was called Taste the Best with RJ Tanvi.
हाँ.
And there I started my love for hosting and camera. So that was like a match made in heaven.
So you spoke about your marriage. Now I wanted to ask you, what is the most embarrassing thing you have done as a wife?
As a wife?
Yeah, like for me now when I look back in my own marriage, the first month of my marriage, I was a proper suhagan. Like I literally had like this whole chuda and all. I used to wear it to like the hospital with like my sindoor and like my mangal sutra and everything.
You were like, I want to be the suhagan for a month.
I wanted to be that. Like,
Oh,
you know,
wow.
my first Karwa Chauth was like an affair from like a Karan Johar movie. Chand Chupa Badal mein, literally we had to go to the mountains in Pune,
Oh,
the
wow.
ghats in Pune, and look for the moon because that is the time when the moon doesn't come out on time, right? And I was so hungry, and you know,
God.
literally, I like fell on my husband's like you know feet and like did namaste and all ki
कोई
मुझे
विवाह
आशीर्वाद
का
दो.
scene हो रहा है. This is विवाह का scene in front of my eyes.
So I was that crazy,
Hmm.
and now it's like okay,
अब ठीक है
अब ठीक है 5 साल हो
हो
गए,
गया।
let's relax.
मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया ऑनेस्टली, मैंने कुछ नहीं, मैंने चूड़ा वूड़ा नहीं पहना,
हाँ
मैं मंगलसूत्र भी अब तक नहीं पहना है,
हाँ
सिंदूर तो मैंने लगाया ही नहीं है, मुझे पता है, मुझे बस शादी के दूसरे दिन उसने मुझे सिंदूर लगाया था
हाँ।
एक बारी, बस उसी दिन मैंने सिंदूर लगाया, मैंने लगाया नहीं, आई डोंट डू ऑल ऑफ इसमें एकदम एक्स्ट्रा। मेरी सास शी कीप्स कॉलिंग मी एंड शी इज लाइक कभी तो मैं अपनी बहू को मंगलसूत्र और सिंदूर में देखना चाहती हूँ, लाइक शी रियली वांट्स मी टू वेयर ऑल ऑफ दोस, बट आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन, आई रियली वांट टू बी लाइक फीलिंग कि मैं शादीशुदा नहीं हूँ,
Oh.
दैट्स माय वाइब राइट नाउ, like I don't want to feel I'm married, I just
You-
want to be married.
Actually, yeah, you are feeling that he's your husband.
Yeah.
You just don't need to show it
Sure,
to the
I don't want to
society.
brand
Yeah.
it कि हाँ शादी हो गई मेरी। What did I do embarrassing? I haven't. Everything that I do is embarrassing. Honestly, in front of him, I am really embarrassing, but he loves it. He whatever. Like I सुबह 3 बजे मैं उठ के बोलूँगी मुझे बेक करना है कुछ, तो he's like अभी क्यों बेक करना है, अभी क्या है? पर फिर बोलता है कि चलो मैं भी आता हूँ. So he's like that. He'll
You have like
cater to
these
every-
epiphanies कि सपने आते होंगे कि अभी कुछ
मतलब
खाते हैं, है ना?
हर तीसरे दिन मैं सोचती हूँ कि आज मुझे कॉफी का बिजनेस शुरू करना है, आज मुझे कपड़ों का करना है, ही इज लाइक ओके लेट्स गेट क्रैकिंग, यू नो, लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग, एंड देन आफ्टर 3 days आई एम डन विद इट, आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट, बट ही इज सॉर्ट ऑफ okay with everything that I do.
So see, this is initially you just wait for 5 years. Now it's going to be like my husband asks me for a presentation. First, I need to pitch the idea to him,
Oh wow.
and once he agrees with it, then I can think about it.
Oh wow.
So it is like a proper, you know,
Like a business meeting.
yeah, business meeting. Like, you know, I need to do an MBA to be able to pitch my ideas.
He's a collector, so
So he collects my
he collects
information
your information and he sort of analyzes it
and processes
and
it.
processes. He's not
And-
like a person who's just running on whim and whimsical ideas.
Create a Gantt chart. Give me your expectations
He's a
versus
proper man.
reality.
He does things properly.
Yeah, but then, you know, that helps me also in a way because it really refines my thought process because he's always cross questioning me. So sometimes constructive criticism is the best thing that happens, you know. So anything and everything I do, he's always asking me. Like even before this podcast, he was checking up the questions that I'm going to be asking you and whether it's interesting or not.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so like yeah,
Even
yeah.
my Pratham.
Your
Yeah,
Pratham.
last night he was like, you should do the ice facing thing. Ice face करके जाना सुबह morning में.
जैसे water retention ना हो
हाँ
जाए.
वो हो जाए, and then he's like no get your sleep. I was like इतना मतलब ठीक है तुम, he's very involved in my life. I'm like थोड़ा it's fine.
That's initially. Just give it 5 years.
Then I'll be थोड़ा तो interest दिखाओ भाई.
Like थोड़ा तो like literally I had to ask my husband, how am I looking? Why can't you just like say good or bad?
No, because no, प्रथम का ऐसा है कि he's very into clothes. Like
हाँ.
he loves. Like मेरा
हाँ.
wedding लहंगा भी मैंने और उसने साथ में मिलके शॉप किया. Everything that wedding shopping was done with him. I didn't do it with my parents. Me and him we did everything for everyone. तो मतलब he is very good at colors and like light. उसको सब पता होता है मतलब because he's a DOP, he just sort of understands कि light कौन से light में कौन सा color अच्छा लगेगा whatever, and he knows the complexion of every person. So he's like मुझे ये complexion पे ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, he'll know. So he Kapil is like yeah, I agree. So he's very clear about you know what kind of clothes you would want. Like he will approve everything that I wear before like audition and before I'm going for a meet. Before everything, before I go for any event, he's like, no, let me see the colors, let me see if it's looking good on you. And now if you see my Instagram also, it's looking better. It's aesthetically more pleasing because of him. Because he's like, no, you just don't put anything on Instagram. Just think before. So he's very like that. But
Like your guiding light.
he's just not my guiding light. I don't know. Let's not give him so much credit. He's just my aesthetic guide.
But that's nice, no? You always have a second opinion
Yeah.
to guide you through.
हाँ मतलब
or help
दूसरी
you.
चीजों में he's not very interested. मतलब अगर मैं उसको बोलूँगी यार ये खराब हो गया है, वो खराब हो गया, he's not very interested in all of those domestic things. He's not very interested in. ऐसी चीजों में he's very like proper. He's like
Where was your wedding? कहाँ
it was
की?
in Ahmedabad
Ahmedabad में.
because he's from Ahmedabad.
अच्छा.
और yeah, because I wanted a very small wedding. I didn't like मेरे family के total 50 लोग ही आए थे, 50-60 लोग. But because मेरे घर में ये पहली शादी नहीं थी, मेरी sister की हो गई थी शादी, so I was not keen on doing a big thing at all. But उसके घर में उसकी पहली शादी थी, so they were very keen on doing everything like to the like very grand उनको चाहिए था. So उनके बहुत guests थे जो अहमदाबाद से थे, because they're from Ahmedabad. So yeah, it was because they had like 500 guests and हमारे पास 50 थे कहीं. So yeah, it was in Ahmedabad.
आपकी शादी में मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मोमेंट जो आपको पूरी लाइफ भर याद रहेगा?
I think when I entered, like when I walked the aisle towards him, वो नहीं रोया, मैं रो रही थी. I was like, मैंने इतना ट्रेन किया उसको कि तुम रोगे ऐसे अच्छे से
एक आंसू
यहाँ से आए.
एस्थेटिकली आना
And
चाहिए.
मैं रो रही हूँ धड़ 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 धड़. I was like, why Tanvi, why? And then at one point I had to like literally do this and I had to like calm myself, and then that was very special.
But that must be very genuine also, na?
Yeah,
कि-
something clicked. I don't know. Actually, मेरा nephew जो है राजस, मेरे आयल आने से पहले he asked प्रथम कि आप रेडी हो ना मासा? तो प्रथम is like, I'm more than ready. तो मैं तन्नू मासी को बुलाऊं to the
So
mandap.
cute,
On
yeah.
mic he's saying, and he was not asked to do this. He just did it by himself. And he's like, Tannu Masi, aa jao. And he's shouting on mic. And I was like, oh my, and I cried because I love Rajas. If you see my Instagram, you'll know that's my favorite boy on this planet. So he's calling me to go to Pratham. It was just something else. मैं इतनी emotional हो गई. I was like weeping, and
It must be very extraordinary and such a good feeling, na? So much love around you. Maybe that must have caused that overwhelming
maybe
emotion.
overwhelming is the word.
So, were you very excited about like the Sangeet?
I was only excited about Sangeet because I've hosted like around 100 Sangeets. So मेरा शादी was not that of much of an importance. मेरा Sangeet was more important for me. So my brother and his brother, they sort of did like a Bollywood thing. Like उन्होंने हमारे
Like a flash mob?
वो नहीं ना, मतलब जैसे पूरा संगीत was like a Bollywood film.
अच्छा वो जो ये वाली मूवी थी हम साथ
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 थे।
थे
Quite of मतलब ऐसा था, but उसमें था कि cast like they showed the entire Bollywood process. Casting हुई, directing हुआ,
ओ
producing हुआ,
अच्छा
then cut, action cut. So in Sangeet performances,
and you and
you were making a
Pratham were
film.
the hero heroines.
Yes.
Okay.
So we did at the end हमारा जो dance था वो था, but it was a very good Sangeet.
So are you into 90s music and 90s movies?
I'm only into 90s music.
तो आपका favorite 90s song कौन सा?
Every song that has Shah Rukh Khan.
If you have to dedicate a song for your husband, a 90s song with Shah Rukh Khan, which one would it be?
Shah Rukh Khan का कोई गाना? ओह, मैंने जिसे अभी अभी देखा है.
Pretty woman. देखो
He's my
देखो
pretty
ना.
woman now. He's a pretty boy.
He's your pretty
He's
boy.
my pretty boy.